Waves of sound. When I'm in my car, I love to turn on the radio. It's like a magical box full of sounds. While I drive, I listen to music that makes me want to dance and news that tells me what's happening in the world. You can listen to the radio at home too, or even while you work. It's a friend that's always there. Many people love the radio, and every city has lots of different stations to choose from. Some radio stations are all about news and information. They tell you about the weather and what's going on in your town. Other stations are talk stations. You can call in and talk to experts about big ideas or ask for advice. But most radio stations play music. All kinds of music for all kinds of people. Some stations play the most popular songs, the ones everyone is singing. These are the top 40 inches hits. There are stations for classical music, which sounds like it's from a beautiful movie, and there are stations for jazz, which is full of surprises. Some stations play loud rock music that makes you want to jump, and others play country music that tells a story. No matter what you like, there's a station for you.